Okay, let's do some ham. Let's do some ham. Okay. Move some stuff around. Okay. Can you see that good? My screen is not clean. Anyways. Alright. So we're going to take this mustard. Oh, wait, before I even do that, wait a minute. Let's make some slits in here so the seasoning can go all the way in there. So it can get down in there. So let's put some slits in here. Okay. That should do good. Alright. Let's put the slits in there so that all the seasoning can get down in there. Okay. Let's put some, get this mustard going for excellent flavor. You can use as much as you desire. No set amount. Just make sure it's covered now. Can you see that good? Oops, come on. Okay. Bring it back over that way. Okay. I'm going to take some brown sugar. I'm going to take and just press it on. That's about a half a cup, I think. If I had to measure, I would say about a half a cup. Just press it on there. That's simple. And it starts to caramelize immediately. Okay. Okay, and we're gonna put this in the oven for 14 minutes on 350. And then when I take it out, then I'm gonna make the glaze. I will come back and after I take it out halfway through, because it's fully cooked. So we just want all the sugar and the mustard to bake a little bit, okay? And then I'll come back and I'll show you what else we're gonna do with it, okay?